Hey there, Weebly users! Looking to elevate your website with stunning video displays? Let me introduce you to the Video Lightbox Weebly app, a game changer for embedding YouTube and Vimeo videos on your site. Imagine this: a clean, responsive lightbox that showcases your videos beautifully and keeps your page clutter-free. Whether you're running a blog, a business site, or a portfolio, having a sleek video display can make all the difference. So, what makes the Video Lightbox app stand out from the crowd? First off, it's 100% responsive. That means your videos will look great on any device, be it a desktop, tablet, or mobile. No more worrying about awkward video sizes or cut-off frames. Next up, let's talk thumbnails. The app automatically generates thumbnails from your YouTube videos, which saves you time and hassle. But if you want a custom look, you can easily define your own thumbnails for both YouTube and Vimeo videos. It's all about giving you the flexibility to make your site truly yours. Setting it up is a breeze. Simply install the app from the Weebly App Center and you'll be embedding videos in no time. Just copy and paste your video URL, set your custom thumbnail if you wish, and you're good to go. No coding skills required.